A billion-dollar retail boom is coming to Sydney's west. It's been revealed mega malls are being developed across the suburbs to lure in the shoppers and create thousands of jobs.
Sydney's west is about to scoop a billion-dollar bonanza.
About 4,000 jobs and the equivalent of about 12 rugby league fields of new retail space.
Rebooting and building 3 major new commercial centres, giving new style and convenience to what's increasingly Sydney's residential epicentre.
Western Sydney is going to grow by about 1 million people over the next 25 years.
And here's how the cash will stack up. In Narellan, they'll have a sparkling new town centre to enjoy, a $300 million investment into this area's future. In Liverpool, a massive facelift for these tired markets with a once troubled past.
It's been a 9.5-year battle for us, and we're over the moon. We finally got there. It's 400 jobs, 70 small businesses.
And it's Penrith that's going to be the biggest winners in all of this, with an $850 million sporting and entertainment precinct here at Penrith Panthers, creating 3,500 new jobs.
There'll be a major link between the Nepean River and the city.
The benefits are endless. More jobs, more shops, more zing. And here's where it's really striking home.
I'm a student and currently I can't find employment, so something like this would help.
Great news for Western Sydney.
And it's more than just wishful thinking, with plans to be up and running within a year. Airlie Walsh,